Principle of laser beam machining. The word laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. For machining, the coherent, monochromatic, simulated laser beam is made to fall on the machining surface. By the high temperature of laser beam, the work surface melts and vaporizes the metal. Laser beam machining machine. This video explains the construction and working of laser beam machining machine. A simple ruby laser needs power supply, xenon flash lamp, ruby crystal tube, switch, lens, outer casing, when the switch is triggered, the electrical energy from the power supply flows to the flash lamp. Then, the flash lamp gets energized and glows. The light rays from the lamp falls over the ruby crystals and stimulates its atom. By this stimulation, the light rays get amplified and emitted as radiation. Radiation emitted by the ruby crystal is called laser. Then, the emitted laser is converged by a lens to make it as a coherent. For machining, laser beam is focused over the machining surface. Due to high energy density, the machining surface gets melted and vaporized. CO2 laser machining machine. This video shows the 3D model of the CNC controlled CO2 laser machining machine. CNC controller, machine table, nozzle. Let us see the CO2 laser cutting process.